Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about COVID-19 and its homeopathic treatment. As you all know, in year 2020, Central Council for Homeopathy, Research in Homeopathy advocated that 4 globules of arsenic album 30, if taken for 3 days, the patient will have mild symptoms or will not be attacked by COVID-19. In my clinical practice, I have given this medicine to large number of people, and the patients who have taken arsenic 30, they have not suffered from COVID-19. Many cases of COVID-19 with mild or moderate symptoms, I have given arsenic album 200, 4 globules only. These medicines should not be repeated. The symptoms of arsenic album 200 are extreme prostration, means weakness. Patient wants to lie down and there is restlessness. Patient, there is midday and midnight aggravation. That means the fever or other symptoms are aggravated at midday. Midday means at the afternoon time, or midnight means at midnight. Patient is there is great fear of death, that his disease will prove fatal. And all these symptoms, if there is all these symptoms, you can use arsenic album 200. If after administration of arsenic album 200 you wait for 1 or 2 days, and if the patient is not recovering, you can use Baptisia 200 or Baptisia 1m, 2 drops every 3 hours. The symptoms of Baptisia are as follows: the great prostration down. There is weakness, the patient wants to lie down, he doesn't want to talk. If you talk to him, he will answer your question half only and you will go to sleep. Patient complains of body ache, headache, etc. And you will find that all his discharges are very offensive. That means urine, sweat, etc. will be very offensive. Next medicine which is very effective in case of COVID-19 is sulfur 30. In many cases in which I have used arsenic and Baptisia and I have found that the patient is not recovering, I advocated sulfur 30, and after administration of sulfur 30 there was a great change in the patient and the patient recovered very well. Next medicine which could be used in case of COVID-19 is Brineia alba 1m. In case of Brineia, there is fever, great thirst, the patient does not want to move, there is headache, there is constipation, and patient wants to drink lots of water, at a large quantity of water at long intervals. Patient will drink 2 or 3 glasses of water at an interval of 2 or 3 hours. A patient wants to lie down perfectly still. He doesn't want to be talked or any exertion. He doesn't want to do any exertion, because anything such as coughing or moving aggravates its symptom. Next medicine which is very useful in case of COVID-19 is phosphorus 30. In case of phosphorus 30, I have found that the patient is very weak, there is pain in the chest, he cannot lie down on the left side. At the same time, there is weakness and there is cough aggravated in the evening on laughing, talking, etc. Reading, etc. In these cases, you can give phosphorus 30, 1 dose only, that is 4 globules. Please don't repeat this medicine. Next medicine which could be very useful in these cases is Lycopodium 200. If the patient is suffering from fever and there is an evening aggravation, that means that if there is increase in fever by 4 o'clock or something like that in the evening, then you can use Lycopodium 200, 4 globules only. This medicine should not be repeated. Due to the lack of time, I cannot discuss all the medicines in detail, but I have given a hint, and I have used arsenic, Baptisia, etc. extensively last year and this year also, and I have got a very good result. So I would request you can use this medicine under the supervision of some doctor. And if your patient is serious, he is having difficulty in breathing, you can use Carbovage 200, 2 drops every 15 minutes. At the same time, you please arrange for oxygen and consult some doctor, because if the condition is precarious, you should always arrange for oxygen, because these cases requires, apart from the medicine, oxygen is also required. you keep a pulse oximeter with you, so you can assess the quantity of oxygen, and also a thermometer, so that you could know the temperature and you can make a chart. If you have any problem regarding, and if you have any queries, you can please call me on this number 9955396383. Thanks.